The students' favorite part of this program is the hands-on trainings. So multiple projects that focus in different areas of aerospace.
They will know how to do testing, they will know how to do all the soldering, all the manufacturing that's needed.
I got students from different backgrounds. It's not limited to a specific gender or a specific age or race. I think this is a great career opportunity for everyone. I encourage the future generation to join, to build space rockets, to build satellites, and to build airplanes with high level of safety and quality.
Lake Washington, everybody within the administration, to the faculty, to everybody on the campus are involved in caring for and about each other. That is something that permeates the entire school.